Everyone is asking what is happening with Bitcoin. Well, I'm going to tell you guys just by reading the chart, and it's really simple. Let's mark this range. Okay, I'm on a weekly, but I normally don't care about weekly candles, guys. I normally don't care. Uh, but that's fine. Okay, two range. This range we are trying to break down, right? So we need to hold something on the previous range. I'm going to the daily and show you guys the supports that we have here. So you can see that this range is here, the daily, we can count this one, but that's two on the bottom. Okay, I can even mark this level here just for you guys to understand a little bit of what is happening. So support candles are always bull candles. Bull candles on the bottom are going to be always my support. Okay, so I'm going to mark these candles. I'm going to explain you guys why I mark this. Pum 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 pum. All right, so what we need a bull candle on the bottom. Okay, and we need a trail, so another candle opening and close above the body of the previous one, and actually testing the candle here. So you can see that this white candle here, let me zoom a little bit, you can see that this white candle here and this blue candle here tested the body here. Okay, so we can use the wick. Sometimes it goes to the body, and that's the greediest level. You can see this one here. It goes to the body and also to both of them. So to the body here and also here to the body. Okay, this candle tests this one. This candle here is tested by this candle here, and this candle here is not tested. Okay, but you can say that we have a trail here. We have an uptrend. Okay, creating some higher lows and higher highs. But we have a little gap here and we never test this candle and we just break up, right? So we kind of stopped here and we created some new ranges, okay, little ranges. But, well, we never test this one. Let's go into the moment. Whoa, what the fucking perfect level, right? Look at this. 18% up. Oh my god. And it might go even higher. I'm not here to predict weekly moves. Okay. No weekly moves. I don't care about that. Maybe 5 days, 3, 4 days. But guys, I don't care. I just care about daily moves and why this is why I'm here marking this. Okay, so if the price went and tested some lower supports, that means that we are probably breaking and keep breaking down because we are breaking the previous supports. So that's why, and probably why, we have a big bounce here, because that daily candle was not tested and we have a big trail there, right? So where is the next stop? Well, on this range previously we had this daily big resistance, right? So you can say, well, but the price here broke up, sorry. Well, actually it didn't, because I marked the the bottom of the body of this white candle that acts as resistance on the top, but we did not break that, because if you mark the top body of this white candle, you can see that we did not open and close a white candle above that. So it just went to a 4 hour here, I believe. I don't have that level marked, but I got that. And we have a big rejection, right? So we don't have a trail here. Okay, we have one here. Well, this resistance candle was tested by this one. Well, this might be the next big resistance, but we might not go there, guys. We might not go there because we still have a white candle here that acts as resistance on the top. and it's the next big resistance for me on the daily. But let's go to the 4-hour and check just a little bit of what is happening here inside that daily. So you can see that the daily is here, so I cannot go back in time, but we can say that we had a 4-hour resistance candle here that was tested multiple times. So we just need to follow the trail. This is the next one, and you can see that this candle here kind of tests this one, right? And this was not tested. Okay, you can see the price tries to go there, it fails and just breaks down. So it's something like we watch here, right, on this daily. Oh, I forgot, sorry. So the price just breaks up, does not come back to this candle and keeps going higher. And it happened here on that 4-hour, and the price just breaks down. I don't even know how much from that, 20%. So you can see these levels are kind of good levels, not always perfect, but when you start learning about that, you are going to understand them. I hope you guys liked the video. It's just a quick one. Thank you so much.